Hi, quick instructions on how to hang this artwork. It's approximately 58 pounds. It's quite fragile. It needs to be handled with a little bit of care. I would recommend 2 people. So we're going to include screws. They're called wall dogs. You can get them at Home Depot. There's 2 of them here, and there's 2 of them here. They're designed specifically to be put into drywall. When you screw them in, you don't want to over tighten. Or of course you can use plugs, wall plugs, and screw them into wall plugs, or directly to studs, depending on where you are on the wall. 16-inch centers, you should probably be able to find some studs. 2 on each side, level, plenty. That's how we hang them here in the studio. Holds a lot of weight, and then we'll show you how to hang it up. On the back of the artwork, there is a gravity bar or French cleat, and it basically just lifted up and then leans on these screws. It's very stable. I know it looks a little wonky, but it's quite stable once it clicks onto the screws. Let's do that now. Up high, up, against the wall. Come to me. There you go. You'll feel it catch onto the screws. You just check it. The cleat is roughly 3 feet. You want the screws to be inside of that, so you can slide this back and forth, put it in a perfect spot. Once it's on there, you're good. The weight of it holds it down onto the screws. It's not going to go anywhere. Thank you.